In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put containers in the same row in Card. If you've ever tried to place content side by side in Card and weren't sure how to make it line up neatly in one row, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use Card's container element and set it to use columns, which is the easiest way to arrange items horizontally while keeping everything responsive and tidy. Start by heading to card.so in your browser. From the home page, click Open Dashboard to access your sites. Choose the project you want to edit so you're inside the builder. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add button and click it. From the menu of elements, select Container. This adds a container block to your page, which will convert into a row of columns. With the container selected, open the Type dropdown in the panel. Change it to Columns. Card doesn't truly nest one container inside another in the traditional way, but switching the container to columns gives you the same visual result. A clean row where you can place elements side by side, all within a single container. Next, set how wide each column should be. You can modify the division by adjusting the percentages that define your columns. A balanced 50-50 split works well for two items of equal importance, while a 70-30 split is great when one side needs more emphasis, like text on the left and a smaller image or button group on the right. As you tweak these values, watch the live preview so you can see how your layout changes in real time. If you need more than two columns, click Add to insert another column into the same row. Keep usability in mind. 2 or 3 columns usually read best. More columns can work for small icons or stats, but they may feel cramped on smaller screens. When you're happy with the setup, click Done. Now the fun part. Add your elements inside each column. You can place headings, text, images, buttons, or forms directly into any column, and Card will keep them aligned in the same row. Try to keep similar padding and spacing in each column so the row looks cohesive. If you're mixing text and images, aim for consistent visual weight so one column doesn't overpower the others. A quick tip before you wrap up, glance at the mobile preview. Columns will stack vertically on small screens, which is great for readability, so make sure the order of your content still makes sense. And that's it, your containers now sit neatly in the same row using a single column-based container.